Okay. And of course I didn't test any of this stuff. So, yeah. Something like that. Seems to be working, I think. Maybe turn that down a little bit. Maybe not. I do need to go like that. Good enough for me. Okay. So unmute that one. Hello, hello. It's Zai. So, first thing I gotta do tonight is get master up to date, cause yeah. But I think I'm just gonna do that from right here. CD. Oh, actually, I can go vscode. What's changed? Get checkout master. Get pull upstream master. Get push. Get push origin master. I don't get what invoke pester stub is. Get reset hard. Get reset invoke pester. Get pull origin. I don't get that, but whatever. Get pull upstream. Get push origin master. Get checkout. No. I do not understand what it's complaining about here. It's not a file that I touched. No. So it's right there where we introduced it. It was 5 days ago. I don't want to stash it. I want to just get rid of it. Working directory. So why can't I... Okay, well, I think it's git checkout. Git checkout master. I just want to see what updates I have available here. Contributors. Let's see, we can upgrade all the things. Oh, so OBS Studio 23.0.1. 23.0.2. Oh well. Let's go with this. I'll deal with all that stuff later, apparently. Git checkout. What was that about? No. I didn't say, I said check out. Not the word to activate the lady in the box. Git checkout. No. Okay, I'm going to change her activation word because she keeps thinking I say echo. I don't know what I'm... wake word. Ah! Glenn, you scared me. Echo connect to phone. Oh, so you already changed your wake word. Let's go like this. And you don't like that wake word either. Echo. Alexa. Hey, little device sitting back there. Oh. Unpause phone. Jeez. See, I'm trying to mute the wake word at least so that I don't activate anyone else's. But yeah, every time I said git checkout, she thought I said echo, and that was what my wake word was. So it would interrupt the music that I can hear. So yeah. So I don't understand this. So if I check it out into a new branch, it lets me check out a new branch. And then I can commit this supposed change. But then when I come back to master, the file is edited again. It's a mode change. You know what? All right, have a good one, Glenn. Git rebase -i master. I don't know why I did that. I'm just gonna. One, two, three. Git push forks. Because you're not gonna let me. Okay, so I didn't want this song. We'll go with that. Okay, so let's start off with, because it's been a couple of weeks and a bunch of updates. I'm going to build the entire extension. So a couple of things that I've realized while it's building. One of the things that we'll want is the ability to select, kind of do similar to what we do with, why is it called EDI? It's supposed to be, no, not ed. Okay, so I don't know where that's ever used though. Anyways, whatever. So, welcome back, Glenn. I was just thinking, is since we don't have a search over here yet, what would make more sense is or would make sense as well, is to take the right click that we have and add a insert command, like the insert command over here, and kind of do all the same sort of stuff. RDP to remote VM in the US. That's one way to do it, I guess. Okay, so we can currently build off of our rebased off of master. So let's go to package.json and figure out where our menu is. We might actually want to add that back. So I'll take that out. Actually, we'll cut that and we'll move it into the context. Win command group. Oh, didn't want that one. I wanted that one. I guess we'll rebuild the whole thing. Okay, so yeah, I'm not terribly keen on that either. Didn't say anything. Are you getting ready for bed? Just about. Insert. Well, why did that fail? Well, I don't know. Oh. Oh, I know why. But why is that not working?
always keep water down here?
So that I have water to drink. Lots of talking, yeah, I guess that's one reason. Also because water is healthier than the alternatives that are mostly sugar. So, I think I need to go like that. Maybe. Beer has lots of water. Not much sugar. This is possibly true. But I don't drink beer, so. I need to figure out why I don't have that in there, but okay. See, and that's gonna, yeah. Okay, so at least that's why that's failing. So we'll need to do some monkeying around like we do with show help in order to do that. But the rest of it, is at least working. Close that one. So why do I not? Oh. When. Durr. Oh. So that means I can go in here. Go like that. Then if I go F5, so that means if I go here, I now have insert command. And look, it's not crashing. So now if I go here, insert, no. Yeah, but it probably. You know, it probably wouldn't hurt for us to throw a whole bunch of, like, basically all of our commands that we're providing into command palette when editor language ID equals PowerShell. Just because if I'm here in a text file, do I necessarily want to expand aliases? GCI ls question mark %. I mean, it works, but that's probably gonna have less than desired results. It's actually not. Right now it's a plain text file. So right now all of the commands that the PowerShell extension is providing they're all available in the command palette no matter what language you're in. It's only kind of the right-click menu that we say if the language is PowerShell, then provide it. Otherwise, it's just like if I do Control-Shift-P or F1 or whatever and go PowerShell, I have all these, which doesn't actually make sense because in a plain text file, I don't want to do any of this stuff. Except maybe like restart current session and refresh Command Explorer. See, I thought we removed this one though. We did, but we didn't take it out of the menu, maybe? Okay, so I have the right click working. Again, I'm Control-Shift-P. Just close it, it's easier. So here's get command and show help. Open a new side. So insert command. And just copy this. This becomes I don't know. Let's leave that for now, actually. Copy this part. Get command request type text. Oh. Oh. So there's no item. So if I go const text equals item.name and I take that part out, close that off. Missing semicolon. Oh, actually. So, now if I hit, oh, wait, the extension is not loaded yet. How did it? It's not going too well as long as that's there. So now if I insert command, I mean, there's not really much point in me. I can uncheck that because I've already got it. Close workspace. Where was that? I think that was mine. Test. So we fixed that bug. Or, well, not we, but that bug is fixed in master. Add KDS root key. And then we go. Ta-da. There was something that just occurred to me. Hey, Adelio. How are you this evening? You cannot cheer in your own channel, it tells me. You're on vacation. Oh, is that why you headed south of the border last week? Or last week, like Thursday, Friday, or whatever it was? I think the reason you can't cheer in your own channel is that it's your money and the bits are, when people cheer, you get those bits eventually. At least that's what they tell me. I've yet to see any money from this whole streaming thing. Like, become a streamer, they said. It's fun, they said. Nice. Is it like that? I think that's the way. You, sir, are a gentleman and a scholar. My empire is built on lies. Thank you for that follow. I don't even know how to start pronouncing that. So yeah, I guess we'll just say Nate, because that's what it says on Twitter, I think. How are you this evening? It's short for Secret HQ. You know, I think I knew that. I think I saw that somewhere. Secret HQ. So secret. So secret that he puts it in a way where you have to be in the secret club to know that it means Secret HQ. Okay, so now I think what we got to do is spend some time refactoring the. Oh, actually, what I want to do. Stare directly into the light. What I want to do is go insert.html. Why is yeah, that's the one I want. So we go down to here, take that out. All right. Have a good one. Save. What do we call that? Insert.js, for lack of a better word, or a better file name. Drive by follow. I don't know HTML. HTML. Oh, I should use oh, what was it? Said what it was. It is PureScript Haskell Postgres. That's what PHP stands for. Oh, I gotta share this with Glenn. This is a video I discovered the other day. This is a streamer I watch, and someone linked this video in his channel the other day, and now I am a pro. I am a pro PHP developer. Infinite for loop. Oh, no, it wasn't a for loop. It was a while loop. Okay, so I've been told that I should skip over the W3 schools. Mozilla Developer Network. It was a do while. No, it was a while do. So, there's a couple of things going on right now with our. I'll leave that unsaved. So, we followed the documentation and added a content security policy to the head. And now if we run it, a wild do appeared. So when we run this, and we give it time, developer, open web. So we get this error that the content security policy was delivered via a meta element outside of the document's head, which is disallowed. This policy has been ignored. Yet it's right here. Further, if I open this file in a browser that's not VS Code, so like if I open it in Firefox, because that's what I use, and I go C users core Bob repos VS Code PowerShell media insert, and I hit F12. So the content security policy is loading in a browser, but not in VS Code. It also doesn't like that I don't think I have actually any in line right now other than that line, or that. Okay, so let's get it. This part here. So this is what. Don't use W3 schools, use MDN, they tell me. Well, W3 schools tells me right here, this is what I want. It's enough I reload. No, they tell me not to use it at all, but like I said, it actually loads for me and quickly tells me what I want. Okay. And that's expected inside the browser because Acquire VS Code API is not defined inside of this browser. Pages settings blocks the loading of a resource at inline. Is it because it's not in the head? Maybe I need to just put it in the head. Oh no, it loads that. So what's it? Do I have to go like this? Because something doesn't like that. I got 1,000+ problems. Oh, why is that even? 1,001 of those problems are inside of the node modules. Okay then. No, his was something about 99 problems. This is legit. I don't. So that's the error about inline. It doesn't like that I say on submit equals my submit. But also, I think I need this down here so that I can go take this out. All right. Have a good one, Glenn. So, okay, so now we go code.visualstudio.com, scripts and message passing. Directive at the top of the web views head, at the top of the head. That's exactly where it is. So default source is none. Disallows all content. Also implicitly disables inline scripts and styles. So I don't get it. Like, it's complaining. Do I have Slack? I don't. I don't feel like trying to find that one. So, like, is it because I'm not setting it to that?
Dad, it's too cold. The house needs to pump the heat up.
Says who?
Me.
Well, you need to go to bed. So, we are somewhere in here, okay, so read file. So if I go here, I close that, I say insert command. This dot current panel web view HTML is currently undefined. So this current panel web view HTML. So that's exactly what it would look like if we typed it in. So, if I go over here, close that one, console.log in the insert file, semicolon, save that, refresh this in the insert file. Okay, so if we come over here to insert, we'll just create a copy of this one. Console.log LKJ is go to text. So if I come over here, so the CSP blocks that here. But if we go to this one, close this one, insert command, developer web tools, LKJ. So this is the part I don't understand about web views in VS Code. Like the CSP apparently is not. I really don't. Okay, so this is so I think I'm gonna go like this. I feel like I have that already. vscode extension samples, I think it was. Yeah. Oh, you know what? You know what? Get remote. Why does get URL not one of those? Oh my! Okay. So we want you know what? I actually want to open the web view sample. No, KO web view. vscode extension web view. So I don't know what 3 errors, eh? Okay. Well, I don't know, is it build? Not build. Clean, install. Okay, so now if I hit F5. Developer. So is it so it's got to be something to do with that cat gif. Okay, so if we go over to this one. And this is going to be input.js. Get knocks. Oh. So user content, one of those scripts that have a specific nonce. Okay. Take this out. What was that buzz about? Oh, I forgot I was subscribed to that. Anyways. Default source is none. Image source. I don't even need image sources right now. Script source is nonce. title. Insert command, head, body. So if we go over here, close that one. And now if we reload this, and it's broken. That's how we roll. Really? Really? Oh, come on. Like, I have to tell you to find in selection first? Oh, ha ha. So, yeah, there's a TS linter rule, and honestly, I would rather that the linter be invoked on in the build process as opposed to in the troubleshooting process. Why did that open? It wasn't supposed to open. It probably opened because I still had it open when I mean, oh wait. web view, saying script URI, media input.js, insert.js. But why isn't it at least saying parameter sets and have the input of the submit button? But also, we'll close this one while we have it.
Something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island.
So
I'm in a tropic club.
I don't get it. So if I go like this, take out the CSP, take out the script, save, stop, F5. So insert command. Why is that not? Error whips. Okay. We'll start over. Apparently I'm not disposing of it properly, but well, that's an issue for another day. Okay. So why did it... Cannot read property extension path of undefined. At web view. Oh. Because I had that up here already. This dot extension context. There we go. So, what was that? Insert. Okay, so does not like that. Does not like that part. Maybe it doesn't actually have a this at that point. So we will just pass it an extension context, and we'll try that. There we go. There we go. Okay, so let's insert. Okay, so ha! Ha! I don't. I. That. It bothers me. Parts of it, but. Oh, I don't have a. I don't have that working right now, that part. Because I had to take that out because the on submit was an inline. Kaboom. And with that, because it's been an hour and a half. Yeah, it doesn't submit the command because the browser at least was complaining about the on submit equals my submit on the form here. So that's the part I gotta add back. I'll probably just add it in the JavaScript. But I don't like this part. I don't like it being in. But that's for another day as well. So we're gonna go like this. And click that button. Thanks for stopping by. And then I think if I go like that. Have a wonderful evening. And yeah. Catch you next time. Possibly Wednesday. Maybe not. Guess we'll find out.